How to set up your gradebook, part 1 of 2. In this video, we will demonstrate how to 1. Set up your gradebook, 2. Add a category, and 3. Move grade items. We will start from the course page. Click on Grades in the course navigation. It will open the Grades page with the Grader Report view. At the bottom left of the course navigation, click on the Grader Report dropdown, which lists all grade views, and select Gradebook Setup. The gradebook headings start with Name, which lists the grade items' titles. Note in the context of the gradebook, a grade item is any activity that carries a grade, for example, quizzes or assignments. Weights list the percentage of the assessment, which will contribute toward the course total. Max grade lists the highest possible score that can be gained per grade item. Status shows any special markers for the grade item or category, and Actions allows you to edit the grade item settings by clicking on the horizontal dots. For the simple gradebook setup, you need to fill in the weighting for the grade item. The weightings can be found in the course profile. Note that if the weighting for a grade item is 0, it will not contribute to the course total, and a weighted value of 1 will cause the system to assign an evenly distributed value based on the number of grade items and the maximum grade of the category. When all weightings have been assigned, click on Save Changes at the bottom right of the page. This completes the simple gradebook setup. There are instances according to the course profile that you will need to group types of assessments and assign them a weighting. For this, we will need to create a category and add the grade items to that category. To do this, first go to the top of the grade table and click the Add dropdown, then select Add Category. Type in the category name and maximum grade, ensuring that it is equal to the category's weighting. Leave all other options default and click Save at the bottom right of the window. Now that the category is listed in the gradebook, we need to move the grade items into the category. You can move grade items by one or in bulk. To move one grade item, click on the double-headed arrow. This will open the Move view for the gradebook. You can click on the dashed lines to move the item to that position. Pay close attention to the indentation when moving items in and out of categories. To move in bulk, click on the checkboxes next to the grade item to add it to the Move selection. Click Move at the bottom of the page. In the pop-up window, select the category to move the grade items in, then click Move at the bottom right. If there were grades already listed in the gradebook, they will automatically recalculate. If that is the case, click Continue. Finally, enter the weight for the category and click Save Changes at the bottom right of the page. Now, you can set up your gradebook, add a category, and move grade items.